Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a payment extension with Metropcs. So you can either call them on their number right here, 888-8-Metro-8, or you can call them from your Metro by T-Mobile's phone at *611. Or when you come to their website, you just go ahead and contact them. For example, here, I told them I would like to get a payment extension for my Metro T-Mobile plan. And they basically asked, is your payment already past due? Is your account suspended? I said no. So what basically happens is if your account is still active, you may change your due date. Okay, for a $5 charge plus taxes and fees, you can do this on the Metro app. Okay, after the payment is past due. So you just have to wait until it's past due, then you can go ahead and change it. And if it was suspended, then if we had a long time before after non-payment and it actually gets suspended, then what you can do is, if you are within 7 days of suspension, you have not applied one recently, you can get a 3-day extension. If you're past 7 days, you can now go ahead and download the Metro app and pay the $5 charge plus taxes and fees, and you can get your payment extended. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.